NTT's share price has been stagnant lately, yet IOWN is the key that could drive a sharp rise in the future. IOWN Innovative Optical and Wireless Network is NTT's next-generation technology designed to overcome the limitations of traditional electricity-based communication. In conventional systems, as data traffic increases, so does power consumption and heat generation, even over short distances. To achieve both higher performance and energy efficiency, researchers are focusing on using light not only for long-distance transmission, but also for data transfer inside and between computers. Normally, even with optical fibers, signals must be converted into electricity along the way, which creates delays and increases power usage. NTT's Photonics Network, one of the core technologies of IOWN, eliminates this bottleneck by transmitting data entirely as light from start to finish. This makes the Photonics Network a concrete implementation of an optical communication network, enabling both ultra-fast transmission and significant reductions in power consumption. If IOWN becomes fully practical, it could dramatically reduce the frequency of smartphone charging, theoretically to about once a year. It also opens the door to predictive autonomous driving, an area where NTT is collaborating with Toyota on self-driving vehicle development. In healthcare, it could make remote surgery possible without delays, ensuring real-time precision. Since the Photonics Network avoids electrical conversion, it is especially powerful for AI processing, video streaming, and other fields that demand massive data transfers. NTT is also heavily investing in data centers, where it already holds a leading global share. Over the next 5 years, NTT plans to invest 1.5 trillion yen in data center infrastructure and connect them using the Photonics Network. Instead of concentrating data centers in expensive urban areas, Photonics Network allows small and medium facilities to be distributed, yet operated as if they were one massive data center, solving cost and expansion challenges. AI usage is expected to drive a massive increase in power consumption in the coming years, so reducing energy use with the Photonics Network could have a significant impact. In the past, NTT faced a challenge with iMode. Technically, it was a success, but it failed to become an international standard. iMode was a service by NTT Docomo that allowed mobile phones to access the internet, send and receive emails, and use dedicated content. It became very popular in Japan, but overseas it was rarely adopted because it used unique Japanese specifications. The devices and communication protocols were not compatible with those of foreign manufacturers and carriers. As a result, iMode succeeded in Japan but struggled to expand globally. To avoid repeating this, NTT established the IOWN Global Forum, an international organization that aims to make the IOWN vision a reality. With the success of optical transistor development, NTT is working together with companies Sony and Intel. NTT also holds more than 50 patents related to optical transistor manufacturing. The forum provides a platform to spread IOWN technology worldwide and aims to make it a de facto global standard through international competition. Achieving international standardization is essential for global adoption. One key partner is ITUT, the United Nations agency that sets international telecom standards. ITUT stands for International Telecommunication Union, Telecommunication Standardization Sector. NTT has presented proposals on IOWN standardization at ITUT meetings and gained support from both national representatives and the ITUT itself. This progress is helping to build a foundation for the global adoption and standardization of IOWN. IOWN initiatives consist of 3 core technology areas: Photonics Network, Digital Twin Computing, and Cognitive Foundation. Photonics Network dramatically enhances the potential of information processing by introducing photonics technology from the network to the device level. Unlike conventional electronics-based systems, APN enables extremely low power consumption, ultra-high quality and capacity, and very low latency. By transmitting data as light end-to-end, using new devices such as optoelectronic fusion components, adopting multi-core fibers for massive transmission capacity, and introducing technologies that eliminate the need for compression, Photonics Network aims to achieve 100 times better power efficiency, 125 times higher capacity, and 1/200th of the latency. This full-scale use of photonics is a key enabler for realizing IOWN vision. Digital twin computing recreates objects and people in cyberspace and combines them to simulate the future. While conventional digital twins focus on analyzing and predicting a single object such as a car or robot, digital twin computing allows multiple digital twins to be combined, for example, simulating the complex interactions between people and vehicles in a city. It also aims to model not only the physical world, but also human emotions and thoughts, creating virtual societies or entirely new digital twins. In practice, digital twin computing makes it possible to optimize traffic flows to reduce congestion and accidents, simulate factories or supply chains for efficiency and cost reduction, and test medical treatments or policies in advance using digital models. In short, it lets us try in cyberspace what cannot be tested in reality, directly leading to reduced risks, lower costs, higher efficiency, and new business opportunities. Cognitive Foundation coordinates all ICT, information and communication technology resources such as networks, cloud, and devices to ensure smooth information flow. Through a multi-orchestrator, it provides services quickly in line with user needs. By using AI, it autonomously optimizes resources, anticipates changes such as disasters or demand fluctuations, and integrates different ICT layers across cloud, edge, network, and devices. This allows telecom operators to deliver stable connectivity, data centers and cloud providers to run more efficiently, and industries like manufacturing, smart cities, and logistics to make faster and safer decisions through real-time analysis. In essence, the Cognitive Foundation harmonizes the growing volume of ICT resources and serves as the backbone for future digital services. The Japanese government has invested about 45 billion yen in NTT's IOWN development. This optical technology is expected to play a key role in improving communication between data centers and enhancing overall network infrastructure efficiency. NTT is also attracting attention as a defense-related stock, with growth potential ahead. IOWN is expected to play an innovative role in strengthening Japan's domestic communication infrastructure. While NTT's mobile business remains stable but with limited growth potential, its strong DX and data center businesses are likely to benefit from IOWN once the technology is put into practical use. With government support and collaboration with other major companies, if IOWN succeeds globally, it could further strengthen NTT's future revenue base.